What is up, fam? So I just bought this REPOWER under the desk elliptical. And basically, I was trying to find an under the desk elliptical to get. This one had so many freaking reviews and so many people buying it every month. I knew this had to be the right one, and I'm glad I got it. Basically, you can operate it fully from the remote, and you can also operate it fully from the device. I'm just going to run through it a little bit. But I will tell you, the reason I bought it is hands down because it's flying off the shelves and everyone else is buying it. So let's go ahead, start it. We got it in manual mode right now. And so I'm showing you that. Now we can up the speed. You can see it goes faster all the way up to, I think it's 9. Is it 9? Yeah, 10. 10 is the max speed. And then what I'll do is I'll run it up to 10. And then we will switch direction. So you can see you can go forward or backwards very quickly. It also has different modes: second mode, third mode, fourth. So it's 3 different modes and then manual mode. This thing's amazing, super easy to use. I've never even used one of these before, but it was super easy to use. Also really comfortable on your foot. You also have these foot straps you can use to lock your feet in place. This is perfect for anyone who's doing a lot of work and you just want to get more activity in. I'm so glad I got this. I highly recommend it for you. This thing works really well. Everyone's giving it high reviews. I do too.